This video will be reference material for pulling and reloading Engine 87's bumper line. The bumper line is used for outside nuisance fires, such as car fires or dumpster fires, and flows approximately 100 to 130 gallons a minute. To pull Engine 87's bumper line, grab the nozzle from the trough and pull the coupling that sits on top of the two donut rolls. Walk towards your target area until the hose pulls tight and call for water.
Pew, 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 pew.
To reload the bumper line, bring the unmarked end on each sections of hose to the lines on the marked side, and donut roll each section. As you can see, this will give you one section rolled male coupling out and one female coupling out. Be sure the hose is laying neatly on itself as you roll. When loading your completed rolls in the bumper, be sure each section is placed in with the couplings facing forward. Place the section with the female coupling out against the outside wall and connect it to the discharge. Place the male section against the inside divider and connect the couplings so they lay on top of the rolls like a pull handle. Now just connect the nozzle and place it in the trough. Just remember to load the hose like toilet paper, with the couplings over the top and facing forward. As always, we encourage you to get out and train on this as a company. Thanks for watching.